Hi, welcome to the Smart Creator. If today is your first time watching my video, my name is Steven. I'm only guy over giving updates on how to make money online just using your smartphone. If this is what you have been looking for, make sure you subscribe to my channel to get any updates on how to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, even if you are just starting and even if you only have your phone. In this video, I will break down exactly what affiliate marketing is and how it works and why it is one of the easier ways to make money online right now. Let's dive in. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote someone else's products online. If someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create a product and you don't handle customer service. You are just promoting the product and you get your commission. Example, let's say there's 1,000 iPhones. The owner gives you a special link to promote it. If someone buys through your link, you earn 3,000. That's affiliate marketing. There are three people involved in affiliate marketing. One, the creator. When you say the creator is the person who owns the product. Two, the affiliate. When you say affiliate is you. Affiliate is you, the one promoting the product. That's called affiliate. And three, the buyer. The buyer is the person who purchases using your link. There's also a platform that contacts all of you, like Prompten, Digistep, Espania, or Staycut. This platform gives you access to products and track your commissions. What type of products can you promote? You can promote digital products. Digital products means online courses, ebook, and template. Or you can promote physical products. Physical products from sites like Jumia, Amazon, etc. Tools and apps like web hosting, design tools, etc. But for beginners using just your phone, I recommend starting with digital products because no delivery issue and they have high commission, 30 to 80% commission, and they have instant access and payment. You can sell to anyone, anywhere. How does the money come in? Let's say you promote a digital course that pays you $5,000 per sale, and you post about it on WhatsApp or TikTok. Someone see it and click your link and buy. Boom, you earn 5,000 straight in your wallet or bank. If 10 people buy in a week, that means you earn 50,000 without creating anything. That's the power of affiliate marketing. So step 5, how to start or what you need. Yes, what you need to start affiliate marketing. 1, your smartphone. 2, internet connection. And 3, a free or paid affiliate platform like Seller, Prompten, Digistep, and etc. There are a lot of platforms you can start affiliate marketing. But these are the best platforms I recommended for you. Basic marketing, knowledge. Don't worry, I will teach you this. No laptop, no capital needed to create products. This is perfect for students, stay at home moms, side hustle. It's good for anyone. Now, you understand the basics of affiliate marketing. On my next video, I will show you exactly where to find the best affiliate products to promote and how to choose the ones that make the most money. Got value from this video? Drop a comment below and say affiliate box loading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you don't miss any part of this powerful series. I will see you on the next video.